What is going on, everyone? Brandon B here, and today we're gonna be recycling. That's right, we're gonna be taking all my cans and bottles, gonna be seeing how much we can make from it. This has been built up over a couple of months, so there's a lot of cans and bottles. Me and my girlfriend have really small cars, so it would take a lot of trips back and forth, so we're gonna go ahead and borrow her dad's truck, which is hopefully gonna save us a lot of trips by just piling everything in the back of the truck, hopefully being one trip. But we'll see. Thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. That's what we're gonna do right now. Let's go! Today we're gonna be selling the cans. It is early. I can't see for crap. Who's that? Hey, what up? Where you going, bro? Yeah, nice to meet you, bro. All right, guys, we just picked up the truck. We're gonna go sell these cans. Big old truck. Gabby's gonna be driving.
Hi. It's like dangling.
Gabby's foot's so small it's not even hitting the ground. Can you hit the gas?
Yeah, with my tippy toes.
All right, guys, we just backed up the car to the house. We're gonna go ahead and load all the cans and bottles and glass bottles and all that good stuff. Let's go. So we backed it up right here. This is the place, and this is the side to the backyard where all the cans are. So we're pretty close. This is what we gotta sort today. I don't know how many bags there are, but there is a whole lot of just cans and bottles everywhere. This has been collecting for a few months, so yeah, it's all pretty dirty, but for the most part, it's all here. So let's go sell these. All right, so what we're doing is just getting all the little small bags we have and just transferring it into the big bags. That way there's less to carry. Stuff like this is fine. It's in its own bag. There's a lot of stuff on the ground.
Should have just done this.
Yeah, let's dump those right now. Stuff like this. I'm just gonna put it into the bigger bag. I want you guys to guess right now, how much do you think we'll get out of all this? There's one bag, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are pretty big bags too. 6, 7, 8, probably 8.5, maybe. Let's say like 9 bags total.
Yeah.
How much do you guys think? Write down. Put in the comments down below.
I'm gonna say like $70, $80. Oh, that sounds like a lot, huh?
That is way too much, I think.
Yeah.
Do not expect that, guys. I think we'll make 50 bucks at the max. Little did I know how wrong I'd be. Minimum $40.
Really? I think it'll be a little bit more than $50.
We'll see about that. Yes, you will, buddy. I'm wearing a decently nice shirt, and I don't want to ruin it because a lot of the cans and bottles are really dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and change shirts. Don't ruin your clothes. Changing my shoes too.
Damn, I think the whole truck might get filled up.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, the sky looks so pretty. Don't put the wee in. Got 3 bags left. 4. 4 more bags. Alright, these are the last of the bags.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to make them fit in there.
It's probably, yeah, it's gonna be a little overfilled. We'll make it work.
Hopefully none of them start like flying out.
No guarantees. I'm gonna wedge it.
Like, look, this one's gonna fall. A wild cat has a beard. Hi, Kiwi. You went all of our videos, girl. Trying to make this work.
Try to make sure nothing falls out.
One bag left.
Get her.
So that's it. All the bags are in the truck. How much money can a truckload give you, or a truckload of cans give
Comment
you?
down below right now. How much do you think a truckload can give us?
All right, let's go.
Yeah. No. All right, guys, we're here at the recycling center. We gotta unload this. Over here. I think they're waiting. They're probably all being used. All right, so we gotta get in line and wait for some of these things to carry all the cans and bottles in. All right, guys, here we go. So we're only able to get one of these because of how busy it is. We got these for dark bottles, you know, clear bottles. This one's gonna be for cans or plastic bottles. And I need another one, so we could do the opposite of that. Then we'll be good. See how much we can get from this. All right, guys, this is what we're able to get. We got 2 of these filled up. Almost got a cans filled up. We still have a lot more bottles. We almost got 3 of these filled up, along with those 2. Little bit of dark bottles, a little bit of light. Yeah, see how much we can get for this. It's actually more than I thought, so hopefully, cross your fingers. These guys got a lot. Not fair to us. So they weigh it right there. They'll weigh these things down.
Fighting for the money.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Your turn?
Yes.
Alright guys, so we just got back from the recycling center. You will not believe how much we got. Remember how Gabby was guessing earlier and I was guessing earlier? She said 80 or 70, I said 50 or 40. Well, guess what, guys? It was 77. Check it out. 50, 75, 76, 77, and change. $77, guys. One truck's load of cans and bottles will get you $77, almost $80. So really good, successful day. I think it was. We're gonna go get some breakfast now. Really good stuff. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, catch you in the next one. Peace.
Kiwi showed up in the back. Yeah. Hey! Kiwi. She's hungry.